Hello students, we are again back with class 12th eShip chapter 1 Entrepreneurial Opportunities part 4. In the previous chapter, we have studied about screening, analyzing the business environment and problem identification. Now after identifying the problems, the next thing we will move for is idea generation. Now what is the meaning of idea generation? It means a process of creating, developing and communicating the idea which are abstract, concrete or visual. See, it means actually creating means you are working out something new, you are making it develop and you are conveying it to the world. That thing can be abstract. Abstract means it is existing in thoughts and not in a physical form. Or it can be concrete or visual, means that is physically existence is there or you can see also. So this is idea generation. Mainly we generate the ideas from these four things, that is market trend, consumer needs, discovered through accident or research and development department. They are the one who are responsible for the generation of idea. Let's understand each of them with an example. See, first is market trend. Market trend, what is demanded, more is produced. Means whatever is demanded in the market, that has to be produced more. I take an example. See, CCTV camera is in trend, because of which more and more companies are entering it for its production. Next is consumer need. That demand is prevailing for a long time duration. I take again the example of CCTV. See, because now it's long that CCTV camera is there in use. And because of that, more and more features are being added to satisfy consumer needs. Now even you can hear the voice very clearly that is being recorded through CCTV camera. Third is discovered through accident. That means that you have not planned for it, but accidentally the product is discovered. See, in class 11th, we have already covered many items regarding it, whether you take it Coca-Cola, cornflakes, microwave, etc. So, you know very well that this all products have just been discovered because of an accident and now they are in so much trend and they are in multiple varieties. Next is research and development department. See, intentionally research are being made for the benefits of the company. Earlier, it was not been thought of that you will have an electric vehicle that can run very fast. But Tesla has worked on it in 2003 itself. And now in 2020, the companies are working hard to get into electric car or electric vehicle field. So this is how the idea gets generated through market trend, consumer needs, discovering through accident or research and departments. After working with idea generation, we are going to see the idea field. The process of generation of idea can be streamlined by developing the awareness for different idea field. It means that if you want to go ahead in whatever idea you have generated or at that time, you should be aware of all the possible fields in which you can work. See, this is in this, you are going to improve your product, making it superior, or you are going to create a solution to your problems. So the idea fields are natural resources, existing product and services, market or demand driven, trading related, service related and creative efforts. Now we are going to move ahead with the next, that is natural resource. When I am working with natural resource, see, people are becoming more aware, more concerned about the health. Now in that case, they are seeing the chemical products and their side effects. So if I take a name, see, Patanjali, I think as soon as I took the name, all of you must have recognized that what I am talking about is the product that are made out of natural ingredients. So, if you want to get into the field of the products, you should prefer using the natural ingredients, and that will make your product more acceptable nowadays. These ingredients can be anything, the forest products or vegetable, fruits, anything that is of natural, because now there is a change in the trend in the market going more towards the natural things. Then moving ahead to the next is existing product and service. A great business idea combines with the skill and imagination and market demand. There is a constant and consistent efforts on the part of all the enterprise to improve the products and services. See, all the enterprise are continuously working on it, so that whatever they are having, they should move ahead with a better version next time. Why? See, because they want to keep themselves updated. Like, take an example. If suppose there is a max coaching class, and if you want to have more of customer, then you can go for extension in streams, like you go for science and commerce also. That will generate you more of clients. So this change or updating of the product will help your product to keep up in the competition, right? And for this constant change, it is necessary to make update with the latest trend, so that you can maintain and improve your product position in the market. See, when you're changing your this thing from max to other streams also, what you are doing it, you are making yourself more competitive. You are having more variety, so the more of customer will be added. And next you want is increase in sale. See, sale doesn't only means the sale of product, it is the sale of services also. When more of students are coming to your institute itself, it means it is the increase in sales. So you need to have increase in competition also to keep up with your competition, and increase in sale. See, I give one more example, that is of Samsung. What Samsung is doing, it is updating itself and continuously seeing its features and say looks, so that more and more customers are attracted and more is the demand that is being created, right? Next, move ahead with market or market driven ideas. Market research provides important information. What they provides is, that is the trend of the suppliers, the demand and consumer preference of the target market or the consumers, which is very important in framing the business strategy, right? So if I see these two important elements, that is market research and marketing research, the difference between the two is, when I am talking about market research, I am talking mainly especially concerned with the market only. What is the trend, how it is working. Whereas when I am saying marketing research, it is the specifically working on the concern of process of marketing, in which you are analyzing the market, finding the demand, creating the product, giving the product and getting the feedback. So it's a very important thing for you to work. Then next is trading related ideas. Trade means local as well as international trade. And now e-commerce has widened the scope, the area of trade, right? Trade is buying goods and services and then selling it to the consumers for the profit. And it's very trendy and less risky area. The next we move ahead with the service sector. See, this is something I tell you is growing like anything. Service sector. There is no words to say about service sector. The list goes on and on, but still I can say few words for it. Opportunities are not related only to the production sector, but now because of the service sector, that is because of the information and the technology that is working, the service sector is blooming like anything. I just take an example of food services. See, Indian fast food, include samosa, kachori, just wait, jalebi. I know all of you must be feeling hungry, but I'm just telling you how this fast food, Indian fast food, cannot be beaten by any of other things. It is the biggest market, and even a small shop can have a very good turnover that you cannot imagine also. If I go for family meal like dal bati ya thali system, see people because of this change in society are facing so many things. The women are not getting too much of time at home to prepare many items, but they want to have it. So now because of that, this food system in market, or the market that is created especially for the food, is picking up. If I talk about Amul ice cream or Amul other products, or I say Haldiram, Akash, ya Balaji, ya Bikaneri, all these chains of shops are exploring the opportunities. I just move ahead with the other things also. See, there are many personal grooming things like Habib, Shehnaz, or career counseling, or tourism, or repairs. So many things are there. Just think of the services and it is available, and it is growing opportunity day after day. In today's world, everyone is ready to pay if they get the expert support. Last but not the least, the creative efforts. Creativity is an important and key component of a talented and ability needed for an entrepreneur. It can be for an old or a new product, right? See, it can be in 5 creative form. First is when you are working with developing the new product, when you are improving the existing product, when you are finding the new process of manufacturing the existing product, or when you are finding the working that is use of new use of existing product. So here I can take an example. When it comes to new product, we have smart bulbs of Wipro. See, you can control that bulbs, they're working with colors and their brightness with your mobile, isn't it? Then if I move ahead with the improvement in products, I can find n number of mobiles that are upgrading themselves day after day. Then I am moving ahead with the new process of making. I give a simple again something related to food, that is pizza. See, yes, you must have tasted the pizza in Pizza Hut or McDonald's, but I suppose you must have also tasted it in a local market in Indian tandoor, and I am sure you must have loved it. So this is the process that has just changed, and that has created a new market, right? Then marking and finding the new market for existing product. When I am going for that, you have, see, earlier only GPS was being used by the employers to track the employees. Now but it is being used for the vehicles also, tracking each and every consignments for the courier services. You can get it tracked out on your mobile. So this is how the new market is being generated because of that. Even the internet that is being used is covering a lot of areas. New use of existing product also can have this thing, right? So if I move ahead with this, that which field I have to search for, I have to have the awareness of all these fields so that I can take the decision that in which way I have to move ahead in my working.